Community Plan for Holloway uses Basecamp, which is a piece of software for managing projects. It might look a bit complicated when you first sign up, but it's actually quite simple once you get used to it, and it's been invaluable for us in organising the campaign. There are 5 tools which we use in Basecamp. The message board, which is a series of conversations, the to-do lists, a place for storing docs and files, Campfire, which is a chat function, and the schedule, which is the diary. We don't use the automatic check-ins. I'll talk you through these 5 sections now. The message board is the thing we use the most. If you click on this, you'll see a list of all of the ongoing conversations. Going to the top one, we see here the name of the topic, a bit of information about it, and if you scroll down, we can see any comments that people have made. If you want to add a comment of your own, just type something in here and click Add this comment. If you've seen something that someone else has written and you want to show that you've seen it and agree with it or disagree with it, and just generally confirm that it's been viewed, you can leave a little bit of text or a symbol here. It's a nice way for people to know that things have been seen. Going back up to the message board, if you want to start a new message because there's a new topic that needs to be discussed, click on the new message, type in the title of the message here, a bit of information about what the topic is, and post this message. Then everyone in the group will see it. Going back to the main page, the next tool is the to-do list. These are just a series of things that we're keeping track of. The to-do lists have got their own titles, and things can be marked off as we go. To-do list tasks can also be assigned to different people. Going back to the campaign group page, the next tool is the docs and files. This is just online storage for our documents and files, things like minutes from meetings, images, or leaflets from previous campaigns. Going back to the main page, the next section is the Campfire. Campfire is a chat function where you can send messages that will appear to the whole group. So if there's something you want to send to the whole group, which doesn't relate to one of the topics in the message board, this is the place to post it. Going back to the main page, the last thing that we use is the schedule. Schedule is a diary of upcoming events. So if we go here, we can see that the next campaign group meeting will be on the 18th. And if we click on the meeting here, the Zoom link comes up. This is where you get the links for all of the meetings for you to attend them online. If you want to add something to the agenda for an upcoming meeting, type the text in here, press add the comment, and we'll know to put it on the agenda for the next meeting. Going back to the main page here. Coming back to the main page, there are 2 more things to show you. Hey and pings up here on the top bar. Hey is a series of updates. If there was an orange dot on Hey like there is on pings, you'd know that there were updates that were new since you were last here. As it is, there's nothing new at the moment, only some previous notifications that have already been looked at. When you log on, if you see the orange dot, go to the Hey thing, and it will tell you about everything that's happened since you last logged on. Pings is a way of sending a direct message to somebody else on the campaign. Here's a test message from Mark. If we go on to it, we can send a reply. If we press the home button, it'll take us to a screen where we can see all the different Basecamp projects which we might be part of for different elements of the campaign. And finally, you should change your notification settings. Go to the little icon in the top right-hand corner, come down to notification settings, and choose what you want, but you'll probably want to choose this option. Only notify me when someone sends me a ping or mentions me. If you select this and go down to press save, it means that you'll get a daily digest of messages rather than getting an email every time somebody sends a new message. That's everything.